So for formatting, we can show how it is. We are just showing it on MS Word. Let's say I write a word and it's apple. Okay, to make it more visual, I'll just increase the font size of it. Okay, right now, if I use the, like, if right now, students, I have not selected the word. As you can see, it is not selected. So if I am changing something, like if I want to decrease the size of the font, the size of the font is just decreasing, but it is not being applied on the main word because it is not selected. So before applying anything, you have to select. Right, I am using shift and right arrow key. So one by one, the complete text or the word is selected. After that, once it is being selected, I can change its size. As you can see, the size is being changed. Whatever size I require, I click on that size and it gets permanent, or it gets applied on that text. Similarly, if I want to change the font, now this is in Word, this is the font style. So these are the different types of font which you can see, and I'll just move this little bit this side so that whatever changes being applied can be simultaneously seen. I selected the word. Now I am changing the font sizes. As you can see, when I am changing, one by one, this is the Times New Roman font, Algerian font, Agency, Arial. So as you can see, these are the different fonts that are available, and the appearance of that word changes with each and every font. The same word is being described, shown in different styles. These are fonts which makes your text look attractive. Similarly, I can change the color of the text also. As you can see, whatever color I am choosing, the text, the selected text is being changed in the same color. This is your font color. Okay, let's get back to the chapter. Changing the font color, we have just discussed about this. To change the font color of text, follow these steps. The first step is, as I told you earlier also, any formatting action to be performed on a text, you should first select the text. Without selecting, the action which you are performing will not take place. So select the text, click on the font color drop down arrow on the formatting toolbar, choose a color from the drop down list. Let's do it. Right now it's in black color. As you can see, I selected the text, font color, and let's say I choose red color. So as you can see, the font color of the text has been changed from black to red. This is changing font color. Changing the text case. Now, changing the text case means you have two types of letters. One is your capital letter and another is small letter. So these change in your computer is known as case. Capital letter is uppercase, small letters is lowercase. In computer field, we don't say capital letters in small letters, rather we introduce them as uppercase for capital letters and lowercase for small letters. So LibreOffice Writer has 5 types of font case. Sentence case. It capitalizes the first letter of the selected text. As you can see here also, S is capital. This is the normal way of writing, where we start a line, we start a paragraph with a capital letter and the rest are small letters. So hence it is your sentence case. Lowercase. It converts the text to small letters. That is, when you click on lowercase, it will convert all the alphabets into small letters. The vice versa of it, that is the uppercase. In uppercase, it converts the selected text to capital letters. That means it converts all the letters written into capital letters. Capitalize every word. Now this, it will capitalize the first letter of every word in the selected text. Each and every word, it will capitalize the first letter of the word. Toggle case. It reverses the case of each letter in the selected text. That means all uppercase letters are changed to lowercase and all lowercase letters are changed to uppercase. This is your toggle cases. So we have discussed about 5 cases. The first is sentence case, which is the normal one, in which the first letter is capital, rest all are small. Lowercase, all the letters will be small letters. Uppercase, in which all the letters will be capital one. Capitalize each word. In this, it will capitalize the first letter of each word of the sentence to the capital. And toggle case, it will reverse the lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. That means the letters which are written in capital will turn into small, and if they are in small letters, they will turn into capital. To change the case of a selected text, how we can change the case? Select the text you want to modify. First is, as I told you, before starting anything, before applying any changes or any modification, you have to select them first. Click on the format button, choose the change case option and click on the desired case option from the list, and whatever you have clicked, as per that the change will occur. I'll just see here in case if we can have a case, because this is MS Word,